Hey guys, so today we will be revising our topics which we have already learned very quickly, and we will understand it more, try to understand it more. Okay, let's start it. New file. Let's say lecture1 dot cpp. Hold on, what is not coming? Yeah, let's start. Okay, we want to at first make a binary tree. Let us try to make a binary tree. How will we will be trying to make a binary tree? We need a pre-order sequence. Okay, it's a vector int pre-order. Let's say 1 2 minus 1 minus 1 3 4 minus 1 minus 1. So 5. Yeah, 5. Is pre-order. Okay, what do you want to do? We want to make a let's make a class. We need with public data int sorry node star left node star right. We need a constructor also. Okay, made a constructor, made the properties, data left right, all these things. Let us make a build tree. We'll need some sequence to build upon. Pass by reference, let's say. To give us node star root equals build tree. Make it here. Let's start root Okay, so we need an index. That's the -1. Then we index plus plus. Or let us do something else. What are you gonna do? Root pre-order. First index. What should we do to build a binary tree? We have to make it. We need a root. We got a root. Now we can have roots left as build tree. If best case, make a root, roots left, call it, roots right, call it, and at last return, sorry, this, and don't need to be at that first. Hmm, pretty nice. So we have made root, we have increased index, root left will be called for another prior index, and this will be plus plus. And then root left is done when it will be null, and then roots right will be done, and index is plus plus here. If we want to traverse it, or we can say print it, so let's say pre-order traversal. What happened? Not void pre-order not star root if see out roots data hmm okay, don't need to return anything. Let's see what. Hmm? What happened? Ah, got it. Now, okay, let's see now. What happened there? Not getting it. Static int, let us say. Let us change something. Static int -1 to increment here. Just index plus plus. Ah, now it's at work. No, it is not working. Why, I don't know. Let us what did I do? What is this? Pre-order. Oh shit. Sorry. Sorry. It is called pre-order sequence. Okay. I'm pretty sorry. It should work now. Now it should work. Yeah. Naming, bro. That's why it is very important. 1 and -1. What did what what is happening? Uh, I think it would be before then this also. Because see, I think this will be the case. Yeah, might be. Yeah, I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Root 10 left, 10 right. I'm pretty sorry because of this. And I can do that thing also. Static int. What was I doing? That thing also work. There was no problem with that also. Let us try to do other traverses. Other traverses like in order and all are more or less same. Just we have to change this line here to here, here to here. Post in the last and middle. So we are not doing that. So we will be now. Let us do the next one. That is our in order. Sorry, level order traversal. We make it capital O. Now for level order, obviously we need a queue, and it should be able to store node. Let's add it to our compiler. We added a queue, and in queue you have to push q.push root. Okay, to push root, and while queue is not empty, we have to just up to it's not empty pop, but before that we have to, let's say, mod star current skew dot front. Okay, front, then we have popped it, then we have to just print that q dot, sorry, currents data. We have printed the currents data current, then we have popped it, and then we have printed that thing. Now we have to move to the left part. If q dot, sorry, currents left is not null, if it is not null, current left part is not null, then we can move to the, like, we can q dot push currents left. If same thing. Right, right, okay, and we are just printing the right and that things. Okay, yeah. Let's try to print the level order. Thing. First one, then two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you want to print it in a line, then what can we do? We can push a null. We can push a null pointer. Root, we have pushed root, and we have pushed null. See, if we get null, so what you do is that current is q front, that is, let's say, our root is there, then we just popped it and printing currents data. Okay, and for currents left is not null, q dot push currents left, and all that. If 2 3 will be, if current null, if not, like, not empty, pop cout end of line. So what you have done is that we have a queue. Let's say we have a queue. Push the root, that is one. Then null. Got it. The current is queue's front, that is one. Then we have just popped it. It is not null, so current's data will be one is printed. Then current's left is not null. Okay, current's left is not null. So q dot push current's left, that is 2. It would push 2, yeah, and also it would push 3 because it is also not null. Current's right and left. Got it? And then it is not empty, so again it will come here. Current will be queue's front, that is null. Then we have to pop it, yeah, and current is null. Then if it is not empty, queue is not empty, so cout end of line. So next line will be coming, yeah, not pop q dot, I think, push null. So again we're pushing null. Got it? And then if it is empty, we'll to see at last. So all these things will be done because it is in a loop. 2 will be then current, is all are nulls, so push continue, because do not have to print the null thing, yeah. So current will should change, it should point to 2. Got it? And at last let's think of that. If we have reached the end of this, like, let's say, see, it is the last element and we do not have much more elements. Let's say we have minimized the problem, then I think we'll obviously 2 will print it. It's not there, so 3 is their current. Then again 3 is popped, and then it's not null, so print it. Left right is null, so we do not have to do this anything. Then we have just came to the null thing, yeah. Current is all null, popped it, and then we just have to see current is null. Then if it's not empty, we have just empty. If it is empty, then we have to just break now, because see, don't break out, you do not it want to print, so you do not want to print, you have done, use just empty. If 3 had elements, it would be pushed, so it not be empty, yeah. So that's all. Now let's see what it does. So 1 2 3 and 4 5, 1 3 Wow, that's how you get this. Thanks. Hope you like this video. Bye.